The people family, how are you? I think that you will be fine. So guys, in this video I will tell the best earning website for TRX and USDT that you ever never listened. This is new website, and how you can earn best TRX and USDT. Okay, so what is this website? I will tell all thing in this video. Press the like button if you didn't like it yet, and press the subscribe button also. So let's get started this amazing full video without wasting any more time. So guys, this website's link is in description. Here you can see its name is USDT911.com. First of all, you have to register over here, and you can register by two terms. Here you can see email register, and here you can see phone register. You can register by your email and phone also. First of all, how to register by email? You have to say email, then login password, security password, and you can see refer code, and you have to click on sign up. You can sign up, and if you want to log in, you can log in over here also. Now how to phone register? You have to select your country code, and then enter your phone number, then login password, security password, and enter your verification code, and here you can see sign up, then you can register. I will register over your phone. So first of all, I will register, you will also register, then we will meet. So guys, after registration, you can see here save password, then click on save password, and here you can see announcement where you can see all recharge, detailed introductions, and all of these you can see here. You can read also. You can see that the user you invite is the first table subordinate. When he tops up, you will get 13% of his top up amount as a reward, and here you can see too much where you can read, and then click on I know for cut, and here you can see USDT911.com. Here you can say language, notification, customer service, total balance, and their jackpot, and you can see announcement, deposit, withdrawal, VIP, team, app, and white paper, and here you can see help button also, and then here you can see your base account, promotion account, experience account, and financial account. And if you want to join to be a drone millionaire, then you can join also from click on details also. You can see details also, and here you can see calculate profit, and here you can see membership also. There you can see. Now about us, so you can see about us, you can read over here. Cloud mining offered a potential cost effective way of mining for bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in blockchain transaction with a small amount of capital and obtain stable income like insurance also. Here you can see global partners also: WazirX, Coindesk, Gens Mining, CoinMint, Bitmain, Binance, Crypto, Coinbase, and Tron. And now about trading, so you can earn 16% of trading over here, and you can see invest. The invest button is less because it's not coming, it's coming soon, so you press the bell notification on, so I will update it also. Here you can see earn from referral also, and you can see over here mine. Now I will tell how to recharge. So for recharge, you have to click on deposit. After click on deposit, here you can see you have to select an account, basic account or financial account. I will click on basic account, and after basic account, you have to click on this. You can recharge with your QR code also, and with your address. I will recharge with address, then click on copy address. After copy address, you have to go your trust wallet where you have to recharge. So I had put password to my here and now you have to click on send, and paste the address, and now I recharge 10 TRs, and click on 10 TRs, then click on continue, and then click on confirm and enter your password. After password, here you can see it's loading, and after loading it's recharge complete. Let's see how much time does it take. Then you can like this video and subscribe to our channel, and please press the bell notification and set on all, so you can get all notified. Here you can see recharge is completed. I will go to the website, and here you can see I have to click on recharge completed, and after recharge completed, you can see recharge is completed. Okay, now you can see my money is also added over here. Okay, now how to earn, how to do all things, I will say say to all things, so press the like button also. Now you can see trading option, where I recharge 90 matlab 10 TRX, and here you can earn 16% profit. Okay, now here you can see. Okay, and now clear tell about referral, and you can see the QR code also, and invite code, and invite your contacts or friend and earn rewards. And you can see Facebook and Twitter logo. Referral rewards, you have to click here, copy link and share to your friend circle area. And here you can see total rebate, total mining, total top up, total rebate, yesterday rebate, invites today, and invites yesterday. And you can earn over here like 3 term. Here you can see level 1, level 2, level 3, all you can earn. And the best earning is the refer earn and trading option. Okay, so here you can see financial records, invest records, transport basics, notification, modify login password, modify security, and log out. Now how to withdraw? Click on withdraw, and here you can see TRX and USDT payment. So I have to click on like this, 1.16. Here you can see I written, and I have to put my address over here. So I will go to my trust wallet over here, and then click on receive, and then click on copy, and here I add to my Tron address, and I will put here password of transaction. And now I will click on confirm, and here you can see it's a withdrawal succeed. And now I go to my trust wallet to see where my payment is come or not. Okay, I will refresh the application, and here you can see from my payment is come on. So you can see that how trusted website is this. So if you like this video, then press the like button, and if you didn't subscribe yet, then press the subscribe button also. So I will meet you on next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.